Dear students, now I am going to balance this equation by using ion electron method. In the previous video itself I have explained what are the rules to follow the ion electron method. By using that rule I am going to explain you this how to balance this equation. Okay, before balancing this equation you have to convert this equation into ionic form. Since it is the ion electron method, this is the normal form, you have to convert this equation into ionic form. Okay, here this K plus is split into K plus and MnO4 minus. Okay, therefore you have to write MnO4 minus plus SnCl2 plus HCl, that gives MnCl2 plus SnCl4 plus H2O. Okay, then you have to find the oxidation number for the given element. Okay, in that equation you have to find the oxidation number. Okay, here X manganese we don't know. For each oxygen oxidation number is -2. -2 into 4 -8, that is equal to -1. Therefore X, what is X here? -1 plus 8, therefore +7. You have to mention the sign. Okay, here +7. And for stannous, this is tin, we don't know the oxidation state. For chlorine we can know. Therefore for each chlorine -1, for 2 chlorine -2, that is equal to 0. Therefore X equal to +2. Here the oxidation state is +2. Here for hydrogen +1, for chlorine -1. And manganese we don't know. For chlorine -1, for each chlorine -1 the oxidation number. For 2 chlorine therefore -2, that is equal to 0. Therefore X is equal to +2. This is the oxidation state of manganese. Next one, tin. Here X, we don't know the oxidation state of tin. Therefore you have to mark it as X. Then we have to find it for chlorine. What is the oxidation number for chlorine? Chlorine is 4. Chlorine, each chlorine -1, therefore for chlorine 4 chlorines are present, therefore -4, that is equal to 0. Therefore X equal to +4. Here the oxidation state of this one is +4. Okay, here hydrogen +1 and oxygen -2, and for KCl +1, for chlorine -1. Okay, then you find which one undergo having various oxidation state. Here manganese +7 to +2, therefore this one will undergo some variation. And stannous, they are having +2 to +4. Okay, and H plus, here H plus, and then chlorine 1 chlorine, potassium here K plus, here also K plus. All these are having the same oxidation number, only manganese and stannous undergoing some changes. Therefore you have to mark these two. Here manganese, the oxidation state is +7 to +2. Therefore the oxidation number here +7 to +2, the oxidation number decreases. If oxidation number decreases means it undergo reduction. Reduction means gain of electron according to electronic theory. How many electron it gain? +7 to +2. How many electron? 5 electron it gain. Okay, and similarly we have to find for stannous. For stannous, here tin +2, here +4. Therefore here the oxidation number increases, +2 to +4. Therefore oxidation number increases means it undergo oxidation. Oxidation means loss of electron according to electronic theory. How many electron it loses? Here +2, here +4. Difference is 2 electron. Therefore it loses 2 electron. Okay, then what is the first step? We have to split that equation into 2 half cell. One is oxidation reaction, another one reduction reaction. Okay, first we take the oxidation half cell reaction. Oxidation half cell reaction. Okay, here here you can write SnCl2, that gives SnCl4. In ionic form you write. Okay, first we have to convert it into ionic form. Here what is the oxidation state of tin? Here +2, here +4. Therefore in ionic form you convert Sn2 plus, that gives Sn4 plus. Okay, then what will be oxidation? Oxidation means loss of electron. How many electron it loses? Tin 2 electrons. Therefore you have to write this 2 electron here. Then you balance the number of atoms. Here 1 tin and here also 1 tin. Therefore it is a balanced one. You mark this equation as 1. Next, reduction reaction. Next we have to write reduction half cell reaction. Okay, reduction half cell, what we are having, MnO4 minus is converted to MnCl2. Then you can write MnO4 minus, it's having plus 7, it is converted to MnCl2. MnCl2 you have to mark, you have to convert this into ionic form. Therefore MnO4 minus, it's already in ionic form, so there is no need. Here it is converted to Mn2 plus. Then what we have to do after writing the ionic form, what we have to do here, how many electron it gains, Mn, it gains, it undergo reduction, it gains 5 electrons. We already see plus 5 to plus 7 to plus 2, therefore 5 electron, it gains 5 electrons. So you write this 5 electrons here. Then in the next step, what we have to do, number of atoms, here 1 manganese, here also 1 manganese. Then what we have to do, for we have to balance the oxygen atom and hydrogen atom. For here 4 oxygens are present. If 4 oxygen are present, for each extra oxygen we have to add each water molecule in the opposite side. Here 4 oxygens are present, we have to add 4 water molecule in the opposite side. Okay, therefore here 5 electron plus MnO4 minus, that gives Mn plus 2 plus how many water molecule we have to add, 4 water molecule we have to add. Okay, then we have to balance the number of hydrogen. Here 8 hydrogen, 4 into 2, 8 hydrogens are present, here there is no hydrogen. Therefore for each extra hydrogen we have to add extra H plus ion in the opposite side. Therefore we have to add how many hydrogen, 8 H plus in the opposite side. Here 8 H plus plus 5 electron plus MnO4 minus, that gives Mn2 plus plus 4H2O. Okay, now these two equations are balanced one. Now these two equations are balanced one. Next what we have to add, we have to add equation 1 and 2. Before adding equation 1 and 2, we have to balance the number of electrons. Okay, here how many electrons are present in first equation, 2. Here how many electrons are present, 5 electron. Therefore we have to balance the number of electrons. If I multiply the first equation by 5, I get how many electrons, 10 electrons. And if I multiply the second equation by 2, I get 10 electrons. Therefore by after balancing that electron, we have to add the equation, these two equations. Therefore we have to do what, 1 into equation 1 into 5, equation 1 into 5. Therefore what, 5 Sn2 plus, that gives 5 Sn4 plus plus 10 electron we get. Okay, 5 Sn2 plus, that gives 5 Sn4 plus plus how many electrons, 5 into 2, 10 electrons. Okay, you take this equation as 3. Okay, then you take this second equation is multiplied by 2. Therefore 2 into 2. Okay, here 8H plus is present, therefore 16H plus plus 10 electron plus 2 MnO4. Okay, here what you get, 8H plus plus 10 electron plus 2 MnO4 minus, that gives how many Mn2 plus are present, 2, sorry 1 Mn2 plus, therefore 1 into 2, therefore 2 Mn2 plus plus 4H2O, therefore 8H2O. Therefore 2 Mn2 plus plus 8H2O you get. You have to add these two equations. Now I am balancing the number of electron. Here 10 electron, here also 10 electron. After balancing the electron, we have to add these two equations. Therefore add the right hand side separately and left hand side separately. Here in left hand side, what we are having, 5 Sn2 plus plus 8H plus plus 10 electron plus 2 MnO4 minus, that gives how many, 5 Sn4 plus plus 10 electron plus 2 Mn2 plus plus 8H2O. Okay, here according to cancellation law, 10 electron get cancelled. Then what we get, 5 Sn2 plus plus 8H plus plus 2 MnO4 minus, that gives 5 Sn4 plus plus 2 Mn2 plus plus 8H2O. Now this equation is balanced. Here 5SN2 plus, here also 5SN4 plus. Here 8H plus, here wait, here 8H plus is present, so we have to multiply the second equation by 2. Therefore you get 16H plus, here also 16H plus, here also 16H plus. Sorry, I didn't multiply this 8H plus into 2. Okay, then 16H plus, here also 16H plus, here how many oxygens are present? 8 oxygen, here also 8 oxygen. Therefore this equation is balanced one. Therefore the balanced equation is 5SN2 plus 16H plus 2MnO4 minus, that gives 5SN4 plus 2Mn2 plus 8H2O. This is the balanced equation by ion electron method. Thank you.